the spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Selena Gomez just dropped a new album called Rare, and the second track on that is called Dance Again, and I want to go through it with you today in this video. If you haven't seen my remake of the last track on her album called A Sweeter Place, I'll leave a link to it up there if you want to check it out. In the spirit of keeping this video short, I'm going to go through the presets and the patterns, but I'll leave the filters and the arrangement in the description, otherwise this video is going to go on forever. Introducing the song is the piano. And on the second run through it switches to this. This was created on Nexus. It's the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, which is a preset inside of piano. Backing up the piano are these two sounds I found on Nexus. It's the Dark Roll Bass 1 and the BA Dark Roll Bass 2. This is what it sounds like. Also in the introduction we're using Omnisphere. It's the Dan's Studio Dirty Baritone, and I didn't do anything to it apart from turn off the chorus echo, and this is what it sounds like. And then that switches slightly. Then we're bringing in that same preset on Nexus, the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, and it's playing these ascending notes. That backs up the track like this. Then I'm using two risers to introduce the bridge. During the bridge, the bass is just playing the G sharp repeatedly. So in the bridge, the piano switches slightly, so it's added in this sound from Serum, so it sounds like this. I'm not going to go through the preset in this video, just because it took a long time to make. To my man Ish in the comment section who wants the deep dives into Serum tutorials, I will be making those. This isn't that video, but it's coming. Selena Gomez, Dance Again. Let's do it. So the pluck I created plays with the piano in the bridge. This also introduces a clap, and the bass that was created on Omnisphere. This is the crackle bass, and I turn off the B oscillator, and that's all you have to do. Right before the chorus, the instrumental is cut out, and then this plays. That was created using a few different samples. The first one is an 808 open hi-hat. Then we have a ride and two snares. Following that is the Dark Roll Bass preset from Nexus. That introduces the chorus. We have a kick playing every beat, as well as two snares. We also have a crash and an impact. This is the guitar, which is probably the hardest part to create in this song. First off, we're using a preset that I found on Omnisphere. It's the Flamenco Guitar A. Then we're also using the bass preset, which is the Dark Roll Bass 1 that I've been using throughout the song. Finally, we're using the BA Deep and Low guitar, which is a preset I found in a preset pack on Nexus. This probably contributes the most to this sound. Then the chorus repeats and it adds this hi-hat. As the chorus is wrapping up, we have a few different sounds that are being added in. Then she's added in these two patterns. This is the ascending piano from the start, and that's playing with this piano, which is still the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft. And this preset is excellent when you're trying to mimic a real piano, which is probably used to make this song. Then we switch straight into the bridge again. This is using the ascending pluck and piano, as well as the crackle bass from Omnisphere. Now in the second time that the chorus is playing, we have the hi-hat and the ascending pluck playing at the same time. Then later on in the chorus, we're introduced to this new sound. This was created using two different presets from Serum. That's like a whistle pad. And this is a sound that I created in my Blinding Lights tutorial by The Weeknd. I'll leave a link to it up there if you want to check it out. And that contributes the most to the sound. So together it sounds like this. The final bridge introduces us to a few different patterns. We have the ascending piano playing. Then we're using a preset that I found on a sample pack on Massive. Then finally, the crackle bass from Omnisphere comes back in to introduce the final chorus. Then we have the final chorus coming in with the hi-hat, the ascending pluck, and the high synth. It repeats again and then it finishes pretty abruptly. That's it for the instrumental. If you want a further in-depth look at the filters in the arrangement, I'll leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out as well. Apart from that, I'll play a clip from the song now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.